Facebook has launched a new feature for Messenger called Vanish Mode that allows users to send disappearing messages similar to Snapchat. In this video I'll be showing you how to use Messenger Vanish Mode. Now let's get started. To begin, open Messenger. Select the track conversation you'd like to use Vanish Mode in. The Vanish Mode setting can only be applied to one-on-one chats, so you won't be able to use it in groups. Once you're inside the chat, you want to enable Vanish Mode and swipe upwards to quickly switch into Vanish Mode. If this doesn't work, you can instead tap the person's name at the top. Scroll down and tap Vanish Mode. Then tap the switch to enable Vanish Mode. When Vanish Mode is enabled, your chat will appear with a dark background, and a Turn Off Vanish Mode button will appear above. When you send messages with Vanish Mode enabled, your messages will disappear from the chat after the other person in the chat has opened them. Like Snapchat, you'll be notified if someone takes a screenshot of the conversation while Vanish Mode is enabled. To disable Vanish Mode, tap Turn Off Vanish Mode at the top of your chat. That's all it takes to use Vanish Mode on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.